How to remove spaces from a string using JavaScript. How do I remove spaces in a string? For instance, input, output. This string equals string dot replace /s/g empty string. The regex. /s is the regex for white space, and g is the global flag, meaning match all white spaces. As a side note, you could replace the content between the single quotes to anything you want, so you can replace white space with any other string. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.